you coming in. Let's shift focus from that part and throw some light on the markets now. What's your view on the markets right now, given the kind of volatility that we're seeing, especially coming from overseas markets, and also lots of back and forth happening with Trump tariffs? In the light of all of this, do you believe that the correction that we had seen has now bottomed out? Because we somewhere stand to gain out of all of this happening, because when the global markets are also taking a hit this morning, we managed to see a very decent open this morning as well. What's your view going ahead from here? Do you believe that all of this global volatility will make a dent on Dalal Street as well? Or do you believe that to some extent we have bottomed out in terms of our own market performance and only good days lie ahead?
What I can read from all that has been really happening in trade war is on entire Chinese exports to US, a 10 plus 20% duty is imposed. So now compare our pharmaceutical sector, which is in many items might be in, which has a 35% share in US markets, where also there would be some tariff. But when it will be compared to the next country, I think our tariff would be lower. And 20% tariff on China. So on many items, we will have a competitive advantage against other country. Secondly, with these kind of tariffs, somewhere my belief is that US dollar cannot remain so strong, because the inflation will catch up somewhere or other. And to counter that, the currency will be not so strong. If that also turns out true, the whole trend of money going back to developed market will start tapering. Money will start coming back to emerging markets.
Sure.
When we come back home, very clearly, budget is given huge fillip to consumption. Capex, which was little slowed down, has started improving from government. RBI is focused on improving liquidity. So my feeling is that we might have this 2-3 months, which could be little consolidation, could be a 4-5% fall because sentiments are weak. But this is a good time for investments, a very strong opportunity we all have got, because our demographic cannot be changed by any trade war. That will continue to help us with this kind of reform to perform better, both for corporates as well as for markets.
Amisha, that was great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for joining us on this special coverage, as well as sharing your take on the markets. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.